Going to be doing the ultimate test of the new SP jump pack. I've got a diesel off-road forklift. The battery is completely dead. Somebody left the key on, which makes it a little tough, but as you can see, absolutely nothing. This jump pack I've already used probably 3 or 4 times to jump start my wife's 2016 Yukon. I'll show you battery percentage. I have not recharged it since using it. It's at 69%. I'll get it hooked up here. Remind you, this is a diesel off-road forklift. I'll get it turned on. Wait for the beep. All right. See if this thing at 69% can turn over a diesel engine. Give it a shot. I think that right there shows the power. Like I said, I've jumped my car, my wife's car several times. Have not recharged it at 69% on the battery pack, and just jump started a completely dead diesel off-road